Hi, it's Tanya from Swiss Family Fun, and I'm going to show you how to use filters in my Switzerland travel guide to make it a lot easier to plan your trip. So if you have access to my guide, log into Rexby, and then you'll see the list of all the items that I recommend. An easy way to filter this list is to go to the itineraries where I've already grouped these into day by day. So for example, for the Jungfrau region, it'll have starting, for example, Grindelwald Fürst or Lauterbrunnen Valleys and Waterfalls. And then if you look in the itinerary, it's going to give instructions and also group the different activities in the right order so you can find them. But if you want to do a more organic search for different types of activities, I really recommend going to the map view of this. Let's say you're going to the Luzern region, so you can kind of scroll in where Luzern is and then come up to the filter, and there are a lot of different kinds of filters. Let's start with family friendly in case you happen to be traveling with kids. So one of the categories is fun hikes for kids. We also have climbing parks, marble runs, strollers okay, easy hikes, all those sort of things. So if you click fun hikes for kids and apply that, it's now only going to show that on the map. So you can see all of these yellow dots. So you can scroll in near where you might be staying and then click on one of these. So for example, if I'm staying in Luzern, one that I really like is down by Engelberg. So if you click this, it's going to show you the Smuggler's Trail at the Trubsee, and then you can get all the details. Now, if you like one of these, click the little heart icon here at the top. And then when you come in here and add the filter, let's clear the tags. And now I just want to show my favorite. So I favorited 10 items. When I click that filter and apply it, now it's just going to show me the things that I've already chosen as I've been using the map. This is using the desktop mode. It looks a little bit different on mobile, but I think that you'll find this pretty helpful when you're putting together your itinerary using my guide. If you don't have the guide, just send me a message and I'll send you a link to where you can access the guide. Have a fun trip out there.